like, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel.
How to get pink lips. Pretty pink lips are an attractive facial feature, particularly for girls and women. Yet many ladies suffer from dry, dull and discolored lips which both look and feel unpleasant. Ingredients you need: butter. Apply butter on your lips. It sounds weird, but it works very good. Apply this on your lips and gently massage. This will make your lips pink naturally. Use this remedy daily to get soft and pink lips. Visit billyhealth.com for more information on how to get pink lips.